Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove your Apple ID from your iPhone. Now, there are two potential reasons. Maybe you just wanted to sign out of your current Apple ID and sign into a new one. However, another option is you're getting ready to sell or trade in or give away your iPhone and you want it to sign out so that you can start fresh. I'll show you both options. The first thing you're going to do is tap on the Settings app of your iPhone. Next, tap on your name at the very top and scroll down to the bottom and tap on Sign Out at the bottom. Now you can see I was able to tap on Sign Out. If you can't tap on Sign Out or it's grayed out, go into your screen time settings and turn off content and privacy restrictions. You can see erase this iPhone after signing out. You can choose to erase this iPhone if you're getting ready to trade in or sell this iPhone, or you can choose sign out but don't erase this iPhone. I'm going to tap on that option to walk you through it. It says sign out but don't erase to make signing in back easier. It will keep all the data on your phone. Just tap the continue button at the bottom. And you can see even if you keep all the data, it will also log you out of your Apple ID, turn off Find My, and delete all of the credit cards and debit cards on that phone. Tap on the continue button at the bottom center. And the last thing you'll have to do is enter in the password for your Apple ID account. If you don't remember that password, you can tap on Forgot Password here. And it will pop up with the ability to just enter in your iPhone passcode that you use to unlock your iPhone, and then it will help you reset that Apple ID password. Again, depending on whether you're giving away, selling, or trading your iPhone, you'll want to erase everything on it, or if you just wanted to sign out and sign back into a new one, you just want to sign out but keep all of the data still on your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.